Good morning, sir. Welcome to Global Trust Bank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Certainly. Are you looking for a savings account or a checking account?
I'm not sure. What's the difference?
A savings account is designed to help you save money while earning interest. A checking account is for daily use.
Oh, I see. I think I need a checking account. I spend more than I save. Haha.
Don't worry, you're not the only one. Let's start with a checking account then. Do you have your passport and proof of address?
Yes, here they are.
Perfect. Let me check. Everything looks fine. And how much would you like to deposit?
Just $100 for now. I want to make sure this works before I give you all my money.
Very wise, sir. That's fine. Would you also like to order a debit card?
Yes, definitely. I can't survive without a card.
Same here. Your debit card will be ready within 5 working days. Home delivery or pickup.
Please send it to my home.
No problem. Now, do you need online banking access?
Yes, that's very important. I want to check my balance every 5 minutes.
That's optimistic. You'll receive your login details and instructions by email today.
Great. Does the checking account include a credit card too?
Not automatically. For a credit card, we need to check your history and income.
Oh, that's the part where you'll discover that I buy too many pizzas, right?
Possibly, but don't worry. Everyone has a guilty pleasure.
Okay, maybe I'll try later.
Understood. Would you also like to receive text message alerts?
Yes, please. That way I can panic every time I see money leaving my account.
Exactly. It's very useful for security. Now, do you travel often?
Sometimes, yes. Why?
Because we can also activate an international option for your card.
Oh, that's perfect. Last time I traveled, my card was blocked and I almost had to wash dishes.
That would be memorable. With this option, your card will work worldwide.
Excellent. I'll take that.
All right, just one more thing. Do you want overdraft protection?
Overdraft?
Yes, it means if you spend more money than you have, the bank covers the difference temporarily.
Oh, so free money?
Not exactly, sir. It's more like a short-term loan.
Huh. So expensive money.
Yes, you could say that.
Then no thank you. I already have expensive habits.
Very well. So, to summarize, checking account, $100, debit card, online access, text alerts, international use.
That sounds perfect.
Wonderful. I'll just need your signature here, here, and here.
Wow. I feel like I'm signing my life away.
Don't worry, it's just standard procedure.
Okay, but if my wife finds out how many times I signed, she'll think I bought a house.
I promise, this is just for your account.
All right, done. So when can I start using the account?
Right now, actually, you can use the account immediately.
Amazing. I feel powerful already.
Welcome to Global Trust Bank.
Thank you. Now I just need to fill this account with money. That's the hard part.
Step by step.
Yes, one paycheck at a time.